Let's solve the equation a equals 1/2 times b1 plus b2 times h for the variable b1. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the fraction. When we multiply both sides by 2, the equation becomes 2a equals b1 plus b2 times h. Next, let's divide both sides by h to isolate the term with b1. This gives us 2a over h equals b1 plus b2. Now, to isolate b1, we subtract b2 from both sides. This gives us 2a over h minus b2 equals b1. Finally, let's write our answer with b1 isolated on the left side. b1 equals 2a over h minus b2. Let's verify our answer by substituting this expression back into the original equation. We start with a equals 1/2 times b1 plus b2 times h. Now let's substitute our expression for b1, which is 2a over h minus b2 plus b2, all times h over 2. Notice that negative b2 plus b2 cancels out, leaving us with just 2a over h. So we have a equals 1/2 times 2a over h times h, which simplifies to a equals a, confirming our solution is correct. Therefore, we have successfully solved for b1. Our final answer is b1 equals 2a over h minus b2.